following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. The entire Manhattan area will be placed under a full quarantine within the next few hours. No one will be allowed to enter or leave the city. This is being done to prevent the transmission of the rapidly spreading measles virus from entering nearby boroughs. Authorities will be blocking off all bridges in the area. The main method of evacuation will be by helicopter only. Follow the advice and recommendations of local officials for the location of the evacuation points. Please leave in a calm, safe, and orderly manner.